Flying human. Once upon a time, a large grassland was spreading at the foot of the mountain in Hakodate, Hokkaido. When the snow disappears in spring, a lot of women and children come to this grassland, eat the food they brought while grazing grass, and spend the day happily. One day, a man who was in a big mansion took 7 or 8 maids and children working in the same mansion and went out to a large rock called Fujimaki-ishi in the grassland. When I was about to go to the place where there were wild grasses that used as medicine after having lunch, I saw a man standing on the rock over there. He's a big man with a back of about 2 meters. When the children were staring, the man jumped up from the top of the rock and went up into the air. Then he flew over the mountain, slowly moving his hands up and down like a bird's feather. Everyone was taken by surprise and I can't even speak for a while. And then I suddenly got scared and ran back to the mansion. After that, not only children but also adults, everyone who saw a man flying in the sky had a high fever and fell asleep for about 2 days. The end.